Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Eddie Austin YouTube channel. Today we have some Mercedes-Benz maintenance. So this guy gets spark plugs. We've lost some fuel mileage. We're going to fix that. All right, as stated, we're going to do some routine maintenance here. We got about 54,000 miles in the car now, and we've lost some fuel mileage. So we've been told, and I've read the maintenance schedule, 50,000 miles recommends spark plugs. And I'm going to tell you, there's some weird looking spark plugs. But we're going to pull the cover off and get the spark plugs out, pull the coil packs. But these spark plugs here, there's something. Let's see if I get one out real quick. So this is a NGK, and check this out. So that's the spark plug, and it is something. So we're going to pull the old ones out and see what they look like. I'll throw it on time lapse so you can check it out while I take it apart, and we'll get after it. All right, so we got the spark plug out, the coil pack off. You do have to take this loose to give yourself some room. Spark plug is right down there. And I do recommend blowing that out with an air hose before you take it out. The spark plug, pretty nifty little coil pack. The spark plug, you know, I've seen worse, a lot worse. It don't look bad, it really don't, but it definitely looks weathered. But we'll replace them anyway, and we'll see if this increases our fuel mileage, because we've lost some fuel mileage for sure. All right, we got all the spark plugs changed. They all look about the same, which is good. And this is a 2018, so I mean they should look the same. Did put a little bit of anti-seize on the threads, and then dielectric grease on the internal electrode. So I'm going to start this thing up. We'll see what it sounds like. Well, I'm not really sure. That first little, I hit the button, it should have started, but it tried and then it stopped. So I don't know if it's checking the spark plugs or connections or something. Not really sure. I did not unhook the battery while I did this. Maybe something you want to do, not sure. First time on a Mercedes changing the spark plugs, so I think we're going to call that a win. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day. This is a 2018 C300 Mercedes, 54,000 miles on it now. I highly recommend changing the spark plugs. I'll get back with you if it actually increases my fuel mileage back to where it was, because I've lost about 2 or 3 miles a gallon, which is an issue. So we're gonna go drive around, see what it does, and I'll keep you posted if it increases fuel mileage.